Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is my little propagating box. This is vanilla bean orchid, and these are some crotons here. This is birds of paradise, and I think this is tanglehearts. I think so. The tanglehearts is doing really good, and I know we shouldn't be changing the birds of paradise all the time, but should I just leave it here, or should I change her into a pot? I think I'm gonna change her into a pot, but then I like these kind of plants in confined pots. I don't know if it makes sense, but I don't know even how good it's gonna do with its roots. But for now I'm gonna change it into a pot like this. It does have a baby attached to it, so I'm gonna take it out and repot it into that one. I was just checking if I could take her out without moving her root system, but I couldn't. So I'm gonna place it in that pot that I've shown, and I have a potting mix that I would like to use for it, and that is coco peat, vermicompost and garden soil. So I'm gonna fill that pot up with this mix and then place her in that pot. So along with this, I am also using some coco peat to the mixture. I am going to add only maybe a handful for a pot, or maybe two.